Hey everybody, welcome back to the Jedi Training Academies. I'm Liam, here to show you guys how to be a catcher. So, the main thing for a catcher is your squat. Notice how I'm nice and low. I'm going to scoot forward. I don't need that bump anymore. I'm going to stand, you want to stand in a perfect V shape, okay? Now, the way it should work, this leg should be pointing towards first base, which is that way, and this leg should be pointing towards third base, over there. Makes a nice V shape, okay? Now, once it comes time to give your pitcher your sign, I like to bring this leg down a little bit and put my glove here. This leg being here blocks your first base coach, and putting the glove here blocks the view of the third base coach. Then you're clear to give your sign. You want to keep it up. If you keep it low, too far low, people can see from behind you. So keeping it nice and tight in here. So whatever your pitcher throws, that'll be what it is. Figure out your signs. Be my guest. Okay? Once your pitcher sees the sign, I like to kind of drop my knee a little bit here. Now this is what I call my primary. This is where I wait for my pitcher to begin his delivery or his windup. If you haven't seen that video, click over here. Okay? So once your pitcher starts in either the stretch, comes set in the stretch, or begins his windup process, you're going to want to take another half step. You want to get a nice angle, a good solid 90-degree angle. So what it should look like is right about here. You want to try to keep this about as level as possible, and you're going to stick your glove in a 75-degree angle. You want to lean forward slightly, pushing your butt out, and you want to have your glove here. Now your bare hand, put it behind your leg, behind your thigh, or behind your back, so that you don't hit it. If you hit your hand, if it hits your hand, you're looking at some serious injury. They're throwing 60 plus. For the little guys, not so much. They throw 30, 40. The older division that you're in, the faster it's gonna be, the harder it's gonna hit. Very important to keep your hand behind your back, your thigh, or your leg. Okay? Now, if you have a runner on first, I would suggest this position. You want to get yourself in an angle towards where your runner is. Okay? So, what it should look like, I'll give my sign, okay? I want him to throw, say, a fastball right down the middle or right on the outside, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn my body towards first base because I know he's going to try and run on me. So, I prepare against that, okay? So he goes into his position. I'm going to catch it here, and I'm already almost in line to throw. Now, what I like to throw with, obviously you're going to want to throw with either 2 or 4 seam. It's your easiest choices. Click here to see that video. Okay, so once you catch it, you're going to bring it into your chest here, like your throwing position, and now you're going to take your right foot, you're going to step it forward. If you're a lefty, it'll be your left foot, and you're going to take now your left foot, bring it here. Now as you're coming here, you're separating to get that catapult action, and then you're gonna release from there. Once you get better and better at this, you'll get faster and faster. So I'm set up here, nice and easy, like that, okay? It's a really simple drill to do. So you turn here, boom, easy. See? I'm already almost lined up perfectly enough to begin my transition and throw the guy out at second. It's really simple to do. That's just the basics of catching. I'll see you guys later. Make sure you hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe over here. Check out my other videos here. Signing off for now. Catch you guys in the next one.